Good morning and welcome to your Daily Farm and Home Show. My name is Kristin Hildabrand. I'm Warren County's Extension Agent for Horticulture, and today I'm so glad to have you guys joining with us because today we're making a sweet potato baked oatmeal recipe that is going to be so good, especially throughout this season because sweet potatoes are in season right now and you can pretty much utilize it from now all the way to Christmas or even the first of the year. So I'm going to show you how to get started, and I think you guys are really going to love this recipe. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're going to go ahead and lightly spray with a little bit of cooking oil, an 8 by 8 inch baking dish. Now first we're going to start with our dry ingredients first. So we've taken 3.5 cups of some rolled oats. To that we're going to take a 1/2 cup of some brown sugar. To that also, we've got 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of some salt, and just for a little bit of some seasonings, we've got some nutmeg and some cinnamon. So we've got about a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Smells really good already. And then a teaspoon of some good old-fashioned cinnamon. It's really going to pack up the flavor. So we're just going to incorporate this nicely in together, just kind of get it well incorporated. And you can already see that we want to make sure we incorporate that, break up any brown sugar lumps with some of the other spices. Next, we're going to move over to our wet ingredients. So we have already went ahead and baked our sweet potato. So the recipe just calls for a cup of cooked and mashed. We're going to do that for you this morning. So I'm going to take my mixer. You can use a masher if you prefer, but I'm just going to whip this up with some of my other ingredients. Next to our mashed sweet potatoes, we're going to take 1 cup of non-fat milk, or you can use whatever you have on hand. To that, we're going to take 2 kind of lightly beaten eggs, put that in there. And then we've lastly got just 1/4 cup of some vegetable oil. So I'm going to put that in there. And then also to this, to kind of give it a little bit more flavor, we've got a teaspoon of some vanilla that we're going to add to this as well. Okay, now here comes the fun part where we get to incorporate our ingredients. So next we're going to take our wet and dry ingredients and just basically incorporate them in together. So what I'm going to do is just pour this in with my wet ingredients and take a spatula and go ahead and incorporate all of this together. So once you do that, you're going to basically put it back into your 8 by 8 inch baking dish, and then you're going to put it in that 350 degree oven that we did in the beginning, and basically you're just going to let this cook for about 30 minutes. So this is a really good recipe that you can serve for your family. I'm always looking for different recipes, especially around the fall, to incorporate for breakfast. So this would be an awesome recipe that you guys could easily make ahead of time and then pull it out the day of and put it in the oven, and there you have a really good breakfast for you and your family. So if you would like a copy of our sweet potato baked oatmeal recipe, all you have to do is contact your local extension office. And one of the nice things that this recipe came from was our seasoned magazine. So if you're interested in receiving this, make sure to contact your local extension office as well. I hope you enjoy the sweet potato season that's among us right now. Enjoy this healthy dish with your family and let us know that you liked it. Thanks for watching our Daily Farm and Home Show, and we hope you have a great day.